Yeah, good morning everyone. So we are going to start our weekly scrum for today. I will be the chair, Grace will be helping me for the secretary, and Mas Rizal will be recording. Okay, let's start with our partnership campaign. Start from MI1 phone and WhatsApp campaigns. So the update here is wait, I haven't make it the cover. So for the list is going up 11, but I think the qualified leads is only 4 because I cut it up from the price from the beginning, so I could it's easy for me to follow up for the one that with good price. And for the meeting itself is going up 1.51%. The meeting is 0.53, and the deal is still there. The update is the price is going super high right now. So many property owners, increasing their price, and some of them telling me that the peak season is starting from 21st December, so they are upping their price, but they are upping their price from the beginning. And also from the Jogja area, the friction is I don't have any knowledge for the Jogja area. I don't know where is the selling area at the moment, because I see that because when I open the leads that coming from the phone database is coming from the outer Jogja, the outer that ring the ring area for the Jogja. And I don't know if it's selling or not. So I haven't really contacted it. And also Jogja is not our main priority right now, right? So there is the friction from Jogja. And for the Bali area, I see that Optimum Bali, the management, I see. So one of our phone database there is Optimum Bali, and I see from their website they have like good prices for the villa. So 3 bedroom villa they have like 15 to 17 millions per month, and I think that that if we could have some partnership with Optimum Bali, we could get their supply. Yeah, because we are lack of supply right now, right, for the Bali side. Okay, maybe is there any comment from my card here?
I have question
Over
actually.
to maybe yeah, Mawayana, okay.
For Optimum Bali, do they like this it's an agent or villa complex?
It's an agent management villa like us.
Oh, I see. So are they focusing on monthly, daily? Do you know more about that?
They focus on daily, but they have like they put their price, their monthly price on the website, so there is there so you can see how much how many is their price, their monthly price.
Okay, I think we should have some discussion regarding this because this is like a new level of discussion. If we can find a good quality, basically agent, basically B2B kind of connection, it will be amazing because we don't need to scrapping
Yep,
around and we just,
yep, I believe so.
yes,
Yep,
yeah. Okay, so yeah, maybe secretary maybe can put that on the
yep.
discussion.
Okay, Secretary, please put that on the activity card. Over to Mas Rizal.
Yep. Although, can you please make a note or write down what is your friction regarding the Jogja area? What is your um, don't, things that uncertain knowledge regarding the Jogja area? So, at the future, we can prepare it first before we do cold call.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So,
okay, yeah, that on the activity. Yep. Thank you, Mas Rizal, for the uh, heads up. Maybe Mrs. Secretary, could you please also put on the activity? Is there anyone have any comments regarding this card, regarding the update? Mas Gani, maybe? All good?
Uh,
Okay, Grace.
question.
No questions? Okay. Moana, again.
Regarding the Jogja, do you do like WhatsApp online canvassing?
So the online canvassing is coming from Stefania, Mas Rizal, ya.
Stefania and me.
Uh, from Stefania and also Mas Rizal, but
Mhm.
from my side, I don't know if the area that they give is already like the selling area, but myself, I don't know the selling area from Jogja properties.
Okay, I think we need to have some discussion regarding this because this is new. I'm not also familiar with this. And what is the strategy? What is the result that you are looking for? Like have a target or anything? So yeah,
Like,
so that's my
yeah,
comment.
agree. Maybe we could put it on the discussion management ya, about the Jogja area. I believe Mas Rizal already put it on the discussion management about Jogja supply. I
Yeah.
think we can discuss it more there. Okay, if there is no comments from Mas Gani and Grace, I think we could move on to the next card. MI7 field canvassing, offline sourcing, over to Mas Rizal for the update.
Okay, thank you, Aldo. For my update about this campaign is the upper funnel is start increasing. This is from Bill's update, and then from the B funnel, there's also increasing, and from the meeting and temporary deals, we have three new deals basically. There's from Mawayan that bring us this lead and also this deal, which is Villa Skaya and then Dedi Villa, and the one also is I forgot the name, and basically from the overall of this campaign is basically we want to help the other chapter by securing the inquiry supply by using this campaign and also online canvassing campaign, which is phone and WhatsApp campaign. But the friction is, yeah, as we know from the field canvassing campaign, the friction is we have a lack of time to convert deals from availability side, and also we don't really know, we don't have the visibility from the price also, so it is very hard to convert into temporary deal and also to transaction. But from from our last discussion with me and Wayana, we want to pivot to focus on online canvassing because it is very easy to see the rate and also the availability by using OTA. And yeah, I think that's could be our next discussion on paper, yeah, paper discussion. But from this campaign, basically, I want to have information that we will pivot from freelancer by freelancer to contract full time from the A funnel, SLA, and role. And basically, I also need help from Celine and also Lilis to apa namanya to read again and recheck about the contract. And then about Tania, over to Mawayana, do you have any update regarding Tania?
Oh, regarding Tanya, it will be handled by back to the HR. So, but I give Shalin a signal that this person can do like follow up leads because like personality
I
and
see.
have strong persuasion and also basically she's like very mature.
Okay, okay, okay. We'll not know. Okay, Mr. Secretary, please write that down regarding Tania's update from Wayana, so everyone can see the update of the sales um, sales role basically. And I think that's all from my update. For to everyone, do you have any question?
Little bit question. So I think what is the meaning of sales? I mean, what in my mind, sales means that we sold the villa, right? But here, terminology is salesperson is
Okay.
so I a bit confused.
Okay, so like B2B, we from the business side, I think it is very common to use sales and also marketing as the apa sentence or calling. So yeah, I think it's maybe we have one unified word to call what is the CND funnel instead of sales sentence. Yeah, yeah. I think just that for me. For everyone, do you have any suggestion? What should we call sales team in here?
Hmm. Previously we use market builder, right?
I think we use CRM.
It's like the role is called is market development, but in here like sales in here that basically is not more like into company growth, like persuade the owner that one on board and with us in
Hmm.
in the in the context of sales in here.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
Yep, I think we should have that one terminology for so it's not like mixed up with everything, right?
Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay.
And um, maybe we could move that to discussion management so we could discuss it more.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. Anyone have any questions about this update? Maybe Moana?
I'm good.
No? Okay, from Grace, all good? Okay. Okay, from me also all clear for MI7. Then let's move on to MI3 website campaign. Over to Mas Gani for the update.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. I'd like to give update from MI3 website campaign. So, from the previous Friday or previous sync up, so it is just increased a little bit on the page view because we doesn't have much activity on the awareness funnel, so it just increased a little bit, and there is no update from lead sign up to meeting and the deal. So yeah, so this from the website campaign is very low activity right now. And previously last week, me and Chris is trying to post content lewat Instagram that direct to website as the CTA, but doesn't get the inquiry yet. So what I hope from this website campaign is we could get a new intern and we can delegate more tasks to them to apa namanya generate more page view, and then yeah, the funnel is start growing. So yeah, that's my update.
Yep. Okay. Thank you, Mas Gani, for the update. Over to everyone for some comments. No, Mas Rizal.
No.
Yep.
Mas Rizal.
I have a question. Also, this is a website campaign. Okay. My question is, what is your strategy regarding? So, do you want to focus on? So this is for partnership, right? So
Yeah.
I believe this is for optimizing the long term
Mhm.
partnership for the mission. But do you have a strategy to also optimize the website to also get the deals from temporary partner?
Hmm. Uh, to be honest, not yet, Mas Rizal. I don't have any strategy for that. Yeah, because on the last month, on the November, I still focus on migration, so I still doesn't have a ability to have a strategy for that.
Okay, so for this next December, do you have any plan to have a strategy about this campaign?
For December, let's start with increase the page view first, because what I know from October, we got a not so much page view, but we got apa namanya, leads, like 2 or 3 leads, right? But so what I understand is the page structure, the message is already apa namanya, already working, but just need more high quality page view, I think. More high quality traffic. So what I can understand is it is the matter of traffic first. Since okay, once we got the high quality traffic, I believe it will be converted into more leads.
Okay, I have some question basically, but I think we can move into discussion management for the next my question.
Okay, okay.
Okay, from me, so maybe it's a little out of topic from the card, but what about the website migration? Is it possible to finish it by this month, which already ends, I think? Is the strategy still possible for finishing it on this month?
No, for the
Okay.
we cannot finish on the November, but we set a new target, which is hopefully on the next Tuesday, tomorrow. So hopefully we could finish the migration. Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Great. Okay. Then that's from me. Anyone have any questions about MI3 from Grace? No. Okay. From Moana.
I
All good.
just I just wondering like from all the website that what we want to track, like what is the most successful, like long term or like short term, or what is the most successful target that you, what
Okay.
is original target, it's like the most successful that in the website that you aim.
Okay. So what can I see is the most successful is we got a temporary partner, which is Villa Dion and Villa Tempo Dulu Nur, because that's partnership is coming from website. So yeah, for right now it's just a temporary partnership mode.
I see.
Mhm.
Okay, if that the case, like we still looking for temporary, maybe we can like I think we need to start discussion. We post the inquiry that, but nicely, hey, this is the inquiry I have. Hey, I'm calling all the owners to whoever have this like term and condition and prices match. Please contact me. Like just simple as that. We do internally. We do also outsourcing.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, Grace.
Okay. Over to Grace.
Yeah, maybe this is related to Mayana question too. So from the website, which is manage my property page got the most view?
From this month or
Yeah.
for time period, yeah. Okay, so from the page view, wait, let me see on the Google Analytics first. So the most higher page view right now is from jobs, and then homepage bukitwisata.com, and then Bali long term rental. So on the manage my property is just list number 7, but one, two, three is a job, homepage, and Bali long-term rental. Because from my perspective, this is approaching to high season, right? So what I understand is on the high season, there is fewer owner will contact us, will find the partnership, right? So and the high season is focused on the selling property, not find the partnership. I think that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Mas Gani, for the update. Thank you, Grace, Moena, and Mas Rizal for the questions. Is there anything to be discussed from MI3? All good?
Oh, good.
Okay, Miss Secretary, maybe the last discussion, maybe you could put it on the card, yeah. Okay, let's go to revenue campaign MY1 Instagram conversion optimization. Over to Grace for the update. How are you doing with this card? Okay.
Okay, so this week from November 21 to 27, uh, there is general increase in reach impression, profile visit, and we also have 12 inquiries per week. So it's 1.33 for the ratio inquiry per post. And then for the strategy itself will be minimizing the number of stories and posts posted, but looking for other way to increase awareness and profile visit, which is from interacting with other users from maybe travel account and traveler alike.
Okay. Thank you, Grace, for the update. I see Mas Gani have questions here. Do you want to explain more about this question, or you have already the answer? Mas Gani?
No. I think from the comment there, I see that okay. I got the answer from Grace. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Any comments about Grace update from Mas Rizal?
Okay. Yeah. I feel interesting regarding what is Grace strategy to reduce the post and then to change the content from prefaces is using frame, right, and then where is the pivot, and uh, I suggest to Grace to also record where is your pivot and also where is the result, so we can see like the A/B testing. So yeah, we can see the takeaways from your experiment.
Yep, agree.
Yes, for that one, me and Kak Gani is also in the process of making Instagram dashboard, so it will contain like what things that can be pivoted and experimented.
Okay,
Cool.
sounds good.
Okay, thank you, Mas Gani, Mas Rizal for the comment. Maybe from Mo, any comments?
Not on this card, but I heard previously that you were trying to outreach like Chinese related agency or something else.
Hmm,
Hmm.
yep, I think Mas Rizal already put it on the discussion management, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's maybe we can discuss it there because it's more relevant ya Mas Moan ya.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on to MZ1 Facebook marketing. Oh, it's only monitoring card ya Mas Gani ya.
Yes, it's no need to discuss on this card. It's just monitoring.
Okay, great. Okay, then I think for the Trello board that's all. I'm going to stop sharing my screen and mana dia? Share screen. Okay, anyone see my screen?
Yes.
Where should we start? Banget lagi. I think from this, yeah, the most interesting part. We got a lot of requests from BI and HCR. Yeah, from Mas Rizal.
Yep. Okay. Thank you, Aldo. Okay. So from the previous campaign Scrum, we got a lot of feedback regarding there's a lot of supply inquiry from supply side basically. So HAR or BI cannot convert the inquiry into booking because we don't have the a lot of supply from our inventory. And regarding this, I also want to make it clear again regarding. So we create an action that we also need a canvasser to help us to get inventory by going to the field, right? But I think that's not working because from the previous from Bill leads and also Silas leads is basically they have they have the contact, they have the owner contact, but uh, the availability is not, and also the price is very high. So we don't have a big chance to we don't have big opportunity to move it into transaction. But I have a pivot that from all those action that we can see from online canvassing, we can see the availability and also we can see the rate. So it easier to us to detect. So that's our supply. So that can be our perspective supply. So yeah, my purpose is I want to change the focus from the field canvassing into online canvassing only in order to secure the BI and also HAR request. So I think yeah, that's for me open for discussion.
Okay, thank you, Mas Rizal, for the discussion topic. Maybe over to Grace. Yeah, I see Grace already have something to comment here. Over to Grace.
Okay, so it's for securing response from BIHAR, right? So you will find the supply when there is request from BI to HAR in terms of pricing and properties, and then you will look for the property, right?
Yep. Okay. Yes. Like what Jing said before, we have friction that we cannot convert the high uh, the high price from the owner, right? So we cannot sell it. So we cannot move into deal. But we want to change the focus. So we already have the inquiry. We already have the budget from the guest. So we want to change the focus from the budget side into our canvassing side. So yeah, that's maybe that's a better strategy to make it the flow is better. And yeah, this is basically for the temporary supply only because we want to secure the December request, and also regarding the uh, what is called, I forgot, regarding the yeah, the focus. Yeah, I think this is better rather than we try to sell it on the Facebook prop listing. So we have uh, we have to post it first on the Facebook. We have to have a deal first on the with the HAR. So it is a lot of time. So I want to change that. We want to focus on the inquiry side, so it will less posting, it will less negotiation because the price is already there.
Yep. Okay, so basically, Grace, from Mas Rizal said, so the focus is starting from the demand side first, rather than we're looking for which area is currently selling or not. So it's easier for us to convert it into a real deal, rather than we're searching for the area first. That is, I think that is what Mas Rizal want to say. Maybe over to Moayana. Any thoughts about this?
Okay, so I think if we trace back this one from the pivot that we want to survive. That's why we are like basically working hard on this, like a lot of manual work, a lot of things, but we want to survive in this situation, and that's why this has happened. But actually this is good exercise for us to know like the behavior on each area and the market and the owner, and how and our persuasion to to go to the basically to match between the demand and the supply that we have, and understand that from this experience we have a lot of friction, but we are on the way, we have a lot of pivot and how to get better on this. So that's what the experience on this. And then I think we have a target monthly. Sometimes we cheap, sometimes we not. So that's why we are like learning and on the way as well, because this is something new for everyone. And thank you for your time and the hustle with this new thing that we are facing. But I mean, we are like getting better from the feedback like previously from the mistake that we made. And matching supply, it's like actually is the best way, because in any business and any life, you try to solve somebody's problem and you will make money anyway. So that is the concept on this one.
Yep. Agreed. More agreed. Um, Over to Mas Gani maybe for some thoughts.
Okay, for my perspective, based on Mas Rizal said before that we actually got leads, got contact from Bill and Sila, right? But the problem is on the price is too high. So
Yep.
in other side, there is a lot of apa namanya request from BI and HCR. So I think the friction here is on the negotiation, right? On the negotiation, we already got the leads and we got the request from HR and BI, but somehow it's hard to connect. So I don't know, from my perspective, it's just based on the apa namanya the negotiation, how we persuade owner to match the guest preference, right? So hey, if you want to sell that, we can say this to the owner, like, hey, if you sell that price, I think that's too high, and from our market research, it's very high. But if you could lower the price, we can give you the gas like tomorrow. So yeah, we use apa namanya market research for the best explanation. Hey, this is our research currently, and the gas right now have like this. If you want to sell that price, I think that is very expensive. You need to lower your price, and we can give you the gas right away. So yeah, I think on the negotiation part. Yeah.
Actually, I have a comment on that one. So yes, I did. We tried that. So first we find like nice villa, beautiful villa, and then the price is like 17 million a month, and we are thinking it's too high. But we did the strategy. Hey, like actually, I have 3 guests that willing to pay this much. If you want to low down your price, then this is the guest that I have. And then said like no. So on that part, we tried like all kind of angle with Aldo. So we have like daily sync up, and we have discussed some friction, because yeah, we as Although me and Rizal, like, I waste time. We paid like team to go out, and then if we don't see result, and then we try like from our side our new thing to do. But it's most of the people that, for example, the demand is 7 million and the price 17 million. It's like it's very hard to match. So you already said that, hey, I have three guests that I cannot accommodate in my complex in here, so you are close by, you know. When I up like maybe 10 million, I can ask my guests, but no. So that's one is villa, like two villas example, like a complex that's nice, but they're not willing to go down. So this is the friction that we've been discussing, and then we never able basically to match it. So that's why we now pivoted to like go to online, see the villa is still good and good price, because waste a lot of time and will waste a lot of time. I waste a lot of time follow up these leads. Have no result after the negotiation, after the guest offer. And yeah, that's why we make the favorite to the online canvassing instead of offline for the temporary. But for long term, is the going visit the place is still the best. But for temporary, that's what we want. We want to fast result but low effort because there is not temporary. So the last time what we did is like for the first like 3 weeks, it was like after we see basically the classify with Aldo and Rizal, like why is this I do a lot of work but no result, and then we have conclusion that the property that we found, unless we have more expensive guests, and then we can match, or the other. At the moment we don't have like guess the expensive one nice place and the one cheap. So if we can that campaign or like add like we want to see fancy place, this is the price, and then maybe we can match them and go back to them. So at the moment everyone want to cheap price, that what we find. So yeah, so that is my comment on that, Gani. So,
Yeah. So basically, yeah, the leads that coming to us, the target market is not matched with what our main market target. So leads coming from like luxury market target here, but our target is coming from like a mediocre person, like who wants to a regular employee that wants to visit Bali, like something like that. Yeah. So like it's not matching, right? Because just the different. Yeah. Yeah, I think matching from the inquiry first, I think it's the best, so we can like filter it out from the very beginning. So I think it's a good pivot, and also doing the online canvassing, prioritizing the online canvassing is also a great idea too. So like we have the demand price, and also we can directly see the price from the owner itself, so we can like easily match it. And so the effort is not very high, that we already see the price. We don't need to call them to ask the price and blah 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 blah. And I think, and I agree that it's a very time consuming, right, to like call them and ask them for the price. Yeah. Yeah.
just something in my mind. I don't. This is maybe discussion with BI, but maybe just for us, Aldo, me, and Rizal, to remember. But if we have good product, and then just sell what the product that we have to get better guests, instead of like we following the guests. We set the expectation of the guests, because I feel that time and effort that we spend is we should work to try it, because we have like beautiful. We found bills, and they found the beautiful villas, but the price is not matched. Maybe because of they happen try post the expensive price, and then highlight what is the why this is more expensive, because new, because this or that. Like maybe we try that so that we get like higher, uh, more quality guests.
More
So
quality guests, yeah.
yes.
Yep. Trying to search new market niche. Yeah.
Yes, yeah, that's what because I'm thinking because I feel PT also like they get good product and then yeah, so you shouldn't be just stuck in one market and then we should explore another niche.
Yep. Agreed. Yep. Maybe to Miss Secretary, please add for the conclusion that yes, we are doing the focusing on the supply side, but we should not forget about trying new markets. So it's more of like a prioritization. It's like more like survive and thrive. So I think for the supply side, it's on the focusing from the inquiry, and the thrive side is focusing on what do we have at the moment for the good villa and but the higher price. I think that's how we could prioritize and find our work in this. Yep. I think that's all from this discussion. Any comments about the conclusion? All good?
Good.
Okay. Let's move to. I believe this discussion already somewhere before, yeah. But I think so the discussion is going up again. I think we should discuss it again. We should discuss it more. Maybe over to Mas Gani.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. So, I have bring this topic last week, but we still doesn't get the conclusion because there is apa namanya a lot of apa ya a lot of things important to do in this time like uh, so we need to fix the finance and the website and then find the apa namanya short term temporary deals and yeah something like that lah. So we need to prioritize which area we need to focus on December. So because December is the high season, so the traffic of guests is very high. So what we can do in order to apa namanya to maximize the revenue, to maximize the booking pace. So yeah, something like that. So yeah.
Okay. Maybe you can tell me like
Yep.
what is yes.
Yes, Mo.
Maybe you can tell me like what is the scope on OTAs, what you do, what you do in the website, what you do in social media. Because finance is for me because I have only one person is junior
Okay.
and dia itu apa? It's a boring work and I don't think nobody gonna stay in finance. You know, this is really boring work, but they need to do, detail check. You know.
Yeah, understand.
I
Yeah.
think that like any finance people come in like just burn out for checking, like make sure that the money come in. Like it's really boring work, to be honest. Like I don't even like, you know, it's not inspired. You bring a team in, so in the finance, that's what I can say, you know. But
Yeah.
this one, ideally, all the owner need to be auto pay because it's
Yes.
otherwise nobody wanna stay in finance for sure because it's just like boring and not inspire the light. But it still need to do. This is very important part in the company as well because owner need to get paid, you know.
Yes, Mo. Understand.
And this. And then at the moment, I am still helping in the finance just to find out like what happened, like you know, get deducted 18 million without get paid. Like it's small thing like that, but it's very high impact. But it's boring to do this.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
what I can say. Yeah. So that is, you know, to see. That's why I want to see like what's in the OTA, anything that you can delegate to Grace or any other people that what in OTA that you handle. So maybe we can discuss it here. What we can do on each. Let's move on in this that you want to discuss. So that's one.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I'd like to answer that, Mo. So on the OTA, BNB and Booking.com. So to be honest, we not so busy at the moment for the OTA. The okay, for the finance, okay, we still have a do on based on the content request, right? So we have a lot of lists there. From the website, since we are doing the migration, so we apa ya, this is take a lot of bandwidth too, because moving content from the old and to the new page, it's take a lot of bandwidth too on the website. And
For the website,
uh-huh.
you working alone or with somewhere else? Is it possible to someone else to like put like more heavy, like give more tasks to the new intern or something? Is that possible or not possible?
So we already divided me, Mas Rizal, and Vira. So we already working together for the website. So we are divided as the part as the apa namanya, sesuai dengan takarannya lah. So yeah, we already do the delegation on the website. And for the social media, so yeah, we still continue on the Facebook marketing, and I'm doing the Facebook marketing, and Grace doing the Instagram campaign. So yeah, that's the from my update. So but
What is it what you do actually in the Facebook marketing?
I'm posting the listing work.
Posting the listing. We have Novel now, I believe. So can you delegate that to Novel?
Yeah, I think so.
Because he's very actually have a lot of energy and have capacity to just make a what you call like clear like what it should be, because they're working in BI anyway. So I think it's like time to do,
Okay.
to do more like guideline, and you just write guideline what to do and have question. You just basically monitor it. So this is the guideline, and then this is the where you find the picture, what this is the schedule, and you just basically hand over a bit by a bit. I think it's
Okay.
right person to do it.
Mas Rizal, do you have anything to say?
Yep. Yeah, Aldo. So I want to give my thoughts about this. So since we have monthly theme on our company, which is still survive on December, my purpose is still we still want to help the other chapter by getting the supply. That's still my prioritization, because HAR and BI also working on that too, and yeah, I believe that's very important to us. That's my first proposal to the what is our prioritize. And the second is, the second is, I believe, I believe website, but website is basically like website is also work on the other chapter too, like HR, and then our side partnership, and also from the guest side. So it is things that we have to finish it first too, from website migration. And the third is, I think it's finance, because we already menyicil the prioritization, that the listing that we prioritize the listing that close with the transaction. So we have to prioritize that first, and I believe that's already bertahap. And the other thing is, I think from the Facebook marketing and then Instagram posts, I think it can be delivered to the intern. I think Grace and Nova is already there. Uh, and yeah, I think for the Airbnb optimization is also we can delegate to the intern, because from our last program from the Airbnb co-host team, it is can be done by the intern. Sebagai buktinya, Grace can work on the fixing the description. I think that's for my proposal. Is there any comments or objection?
Maybe over to Mas Gani again. What do you think?
No. Yang lain dulu, yang lain.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, maybe from Grace, the one that will be delegated. What do you think about the prioritization?
From Instagram itself, the friction from inquiry should be on the supply side also. So I support the supply optimization, because yes, some inquiry, I don't know if they are converting to bookings or not, but I got like information from Andre and also Maria that some is not converted because we don't have the supply.
Okay. So I think from if we're talking about supply, so it's talking about the prop listing for the temporary deal, right? And temporary deal is mainly focused on monthly rather than daily, right? Is it is it still focusing on monthly, or is it right now switching to
Um,
daily also?
for right now, I believe we based on the request, Aldo. So is there any like daily request? Sebisa mungkin kita secure that request gitu.
Yes. So
How about
basically,
the frequency then? Ya, apa? Ya mau.
basically right now what we are doing is that like if a pillar complex, we always ask for daily, weekly, and monthly.
Yep.
So that we are agile, basically, so that we can fulfill more inquiry actually. So if say only one villa, if already daily, it doesn't make sense for monthly. It just it depends on the supply that we have.
Because what I'm trying to addressing is that for the supply side, so many owner like starting to don't have like the monthly availability, because like the peak season starting
Yeah.
from, they say like they have like many guests from 21st December. So I think from the monthly side, it's seems like more of the not prioritization part, because from the supply side also they don't have any monthly.
Yep, Aldo. If you can see the paper, you will see the check-in that time. So there is also December, but also January until February. So
Yep,
yeah,
yep,
we can prioritize what is the date, and then the
yep,
price, and then the request. So yeah, I think that
yep,
can be our next prioritization. So
yep,
if for example, so of the 5 December, we will hard to find the villa that match with that date, right? So we
yep.
will low prioritize that request, but we will prioritize the January until March
Yeah.
request. Yeah, I think that could be
Okay.
more better.
Yep, yep. Agree. Okay. Then so from the monthly side is more of like the longer term from the, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, agree. I think that will work if that's the case. Okay. So let's start from Mas Rizal's proposal then. First, first prioritization is supply optimization. Second proposal is finish website migration. Third prioritization is finance, and Airbnb is kami na prioritization na because delegate to intern ya. Okay. Back to Mas Gani then. What do you think about the prioritization? Do you agree or disagree or have any comments about this?
Okay. Yeah. Because when we start this prioritization, so we need to adapt as well, right? So there is I'm thinking that okay, how to delegate the task that I did before to the intern. So we have if we agree for this proposal, so okay, so we need to adapt as well. For the supply optimization, uh, we will apa namanya? We will try online ya, online canvas ya. Okay. Yeah. So I'm trying to connect with the apa namanya in BI on revenue campaign. So uh, Okay, so instead of we post that we have, it's better that we looking for the supply first, right? Rather than we sell that we already have. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. I get it. I get it.
It's more like we trying to sell what coming
What
to us.
coming from? From yeah.
Yeah, what coming to us. So we are trying to sell the inquiry first, right? For
Hmm.
the focus. Yeah.
Okay. Got
Yep.
it. Hmm.
Yep. I believe for the
Hmm.
strategic step and task, I think it will be delegated from Mas Rizal. So yep, I think that's it. So do anyone agree with? Do anyone have some comment again about the prioritization before we move it to conclusion? No.
Uh,
How
and
do you think?
I agree with the prioritization because I think we have smart people. We as a leader, we need to start like find a way how we can delegate
Yep.
correctly so that you don't feel burned, but might the result is better. We don't know or worse. So we need just how we can monitor that. So it's we as I expected, up and down is very normal, but depend how we can adapt and also basically to check if something wrong and then like fast. Basically a way to monitor it. So that's what I suggest. Otherwise, we have more people, but you take most of the task, and then because you burn out, and then it might not make as maximize as other people does sometimes.
Yep. Okay. From my side, I think it's doable and also it's a good prioritization. So the conclusion is that this is the prioritization that we do, and we expect from our VCL to chunk it to more of like strategic activities that we need to do, so we could do things what we need to do. And Miss Secretary, please put it on the conclusion. And also, we already run out of time, but we have many discussions here. So I think we could proceed it with written communication. Yeah.
Yeah. Agree.
Okay. So we expect on 3 p.m. there is everyone's comment here from website strategy. I will highlight it first on website. Why? Ini kan kapus, sialan. Nah, mana dia? Udah ada belum sih tadi ke atas?
Nah, udah balik tuh.
Oke.
Udah.
Ini website strategi, terus Jogja Supply, terus ini Mas Tendi ini ada yang mau ini nggak Mas, apa ini cuma announcement aja?
Announcement aja.
Oke, berarti ini nggak ada yang bisa discuss ya.
Mhm.
Ini maybe I think some comments should be needed here too. And yep, I believe that's all for the written discussion. Yep, I think that's all. Stop sharing the screen. Okay, thank you everyone for coming. I'll expect to see your thoughts on the 3 discussion, and I'll end the meeting. Thank you for coming. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you Aldo for the chat.
Thank you.